Welcome back to the Forge of Low Expectations, where, well, it's that time again for a new project full of PETG that honestly could have had better quality when it was printing. But in this episode, we're going to, well, in this project, we're going to be doing Rurouni Kenshin's reverse blade sword. It has a name, but I can't think of what it is. And we're also going to be doing things a little bit differently for this project. I'm still going to glue this together, which will be the next scene. And then when it comes to using the filler, I'm actually going to be trying to dilute it. That's the word. So when it comes to filling, I'm going to dilute the filler and brush it on and see if that helps things look a little more presentable and get rid of some of these, like I said, nasty layer lines that I don't know if the camera's picking up. But trust me, they are hideous. So I'm going to adjust this camera onto this and we'll start the gluing process. What a drag. No, but in all seriousness, Sakabato, I'm still butchering the name, I know, is done. I think it looks pretty decent. There are parts I would do differently redoing it, such as I don't think this sits on, so if you download this for yourself, which the link will be in the description, I would probably cut off the pegs that were in here and then make sure this sits a little more flush. But overall, I am really happy with it. And it fits nicely in the scabbard sheath, whatever. But what I say don't matter. It's all about what the wife thinks. And I'm kind of excited because this might be the first blade she holds correctly. We shall see and find out.
I just should know with the camera.
Okay. And what do you think?
I would say 9 out of 10.
You don't even have it open.
I'm afraid to break it.
Just pull it.
It all falls. Well, I like the sheet better. 9 out of 10.
And you still hold the blade backwards.
Ow! You said there was no backwards.
No, I said it's a reverse. There is a back.
I wasn't even holding. I was just looking at it.
You held it like a normal katana. Every other time you hold the katana backwards. This one's made to be held backwards. and you hold it backwards
I was
still.
just looking at it.
You
Like I
lie.
was posing. But yes, 9 out of 10. A little splotchy there, but this is red as a fire truck, and I like it.
Go figure with the paint being literally called fire truck red.
Was it really?
I think so.
I didn't know that. I wasn't in there when you bought it, I don't think.
Meanwhile, Cora's just behind you. She a hungry girl.
Her hungry pup.
Yeah, you have to kind of line it up. And, as always, if you enjoyed videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Or if you want me to go back to where I actually show the full process of like painting, going outside, spray painting, obviously, do that in a well-ventilated area. Where you want to see like me do a time lapse of me putting the filler on, painting, plastic welding, which I meant to do this video and forgot to do the filming. But, as always, if you like seeing stupid projects like this, subscribe if you haven't, because I'm always going to be back with better videos, or better quality videos, hopefully. And as for the next project in this year, we have, it's probably a little smaller than what it should be, but we have something from Devil May Cry. The other parts I still have to kind of hollow out because the rod's not fitting in it, and that is what she said. So, as always, keep those anvils clean, keep those blades sharp, and we will always be back with another banger. Peace.